How to clean carpet stains, chemical-free solutions. We've all experienced the mishap of a stain on the carpet at some point. Perhaps you have an older carpet that no longer looks as good as when you bought it. It's faded and worn, resembling tea-stained fabric. Before calling in professionals or spending money on expensive chemical cleaners, try our advice. When a stain occurs, before tackling individual stains, assess the overall condition of the carpet. If it's dirty over the entire surface or around the stain, and you successfully remove the stain, leaving a spotless area, be prepared to either get used to walking around bright, clean maps or embark on a full cleaning. Creating such a clean map is easy, as mild dirt on the carpet isn't immediately noticeable, it accumulates gradually, and your eyes adjust to it. Therefore, compare the area where no one walks with the area around the stain, as they may differ in color. However, if the stain is of the type that becomes more challenging to remove the longer it stays, try to eliminate it immediately before cleaning the remaining surface. 10 Commandments for Stain Removal. 1. Speed. Attempt to remove the stain immediately after its occurrence. 2. Residue removal. First, remove the part of the stain that has not yet been absorbed. For liquids, use absorbent, blotting, paper, a cloth, etc., and press on the stain to absorb as much as possible without smearing. 3. Use warm water or a mild carpet shampoo solution, it should work for most stains. Do not rub the dirty spot, gently massage it. 4. Test the cleaner in an inconspicuous area before using. Do not use cleaners containing brighteners, bleaches, etc. Apply the cleaner to a small, least visible area to check if it discolors the carpet. 5. Vacuum and clean the stain from the edge toward the center to avoid spreading it over a larger area. 6. After using cleaning agents, thoroughly remove any residue with water. 7. Determine the origin of the stain, blood, wine, ointment, oil, etc., as each requires a different approach. 8. Allow enough time for cleaning. Expect that, especially with wet processes, the floor will remain damp for about 4 hours, making the room unusable and furniture replacement impossible. Even after that, caution is advised. 9. If you prefer chemical solutions, carefully choose the cleaner. Seek advice from professionals in a drugstore. 10. Carpets should be thoroughly cleaned at least once a year, involving not only vacuuming but also removing hair, mites, and dust, either wet or dry. Grandma knew best, or how to manage without aggressive cleaning solutions exactly. Long-term experience with remedies that you would never think are related to carpets has often proven more effective than today's chemical advertisements. Unfortunately, in today's world, we tend to believe expensive chemical products more than time-tested grandma's recipes. Here are some of them. Snow. If you have expensive or unattached carpets, wait for fresh snow, lay the carpet with the face down, and hand pat from the back with a beater. It's laborious, but replaces your fitness center. Yet, it revives the carpet, making the fibers stand up, and the dirt literally comes out, remaining attached to the snow. Baking powder, a less labor-intensive recommendation, suggests sprinkling baking powder over the carpet, leaving it for several hours, preferably overnight, and then thoroughly vacuuming. Flour. For greasy stains, sprinkle flour over them, let it absorb the grease, then vacuum. This method isn't suitable for older stains. Sauerkraut juice. Sauerkraut juice is another proven cleaner. Pour it over the carpet, spread it evenly. Then sweep and vacuum the carpet. Baking soda. For greasy stains on the carpet, use baking soda and let it sit for at least 3 hours. Then vacuum. Baking soda also removes odors. Lemon. Removing stains with water mixed with squeezed lemon and salt. Apply the solution to the stain, let it sit for a while, and then use blotting paper until the stain is gone. If the stain persists, resort to a carpet cleaning product. Ice. Remove gum stuck to the carpet by placing an ice cube on it. The gum hardens, making it easy to remove. Toothpaste. If all stain removal attempts fail, apply toothpaste to the stain and let it dry overnight. In the morning, brush and vacuum. Salt. Excellent for wine stains. Pour a mound of salt on the stain and let it absorb the wine. Then lightly brush and vacuum. Finally, A simple trick for a fragrant carpet: add 20 drops of essential oil, choose your preferred scent, with calming scents for the bedroom and invigorating scents for the living room, to a cup of baking soda. Mix well, let it stand for a few hours for the substances to combine, then sprinkle the entire carpet with the powder. Let it sit, even overnight, and then vacuum. You'll be amazed at how the carpet comes to life and how wonderful it smells.